Okay, after creating our cylinder with its spherene, let's go and check a very important factor, density reference thickness, or the abbreviation is DRT. So how does DRT affect the size of the structure and the volcanoes? Pretty simple. The bigger size of the DRT, the bigger size of the volcanoes. So now it is 0.4, for example. Let me change it to, let's say, 0.8. So I'm going to duplicate the size of this DRT. I expect a big change. So I run it again. We'll wait for the results and we will see the results pretty soon. Here we go. The calculation has started. Checking the details, telling me it will take around 1 minute or a bit more. Let's wait for the results. Okay, this is done. And now we can expect the results. Loading here. We already isolated the spherene implicit, so we will only see the thickened body here. And there we go. Okay, as you see, the size of the volcanoes has increased dramatically. Now, to have a better understanding of the effect of the DRT on the size of the volcanoes, you can see in the left side we have DRT of 0.8, in the middle the DRT of 0.4, and in the right side we have DRT of 0.2. And you can compare the size of the volcanoes to each other.